Hi guys, it's Miss Simon. So I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of help you guys out with directions on reading for this week. So for reading this week, what you guys are going to do is you're going to read the story in your reading textbook. It's called Finding Bigfoot. So you can look in the instructions and it tells you what page that's on. But I just want to kind of show you in addition to answering the questions and kind of doing the know it, show it pages in the Google Forms, you're gonna have one other piece to your reading this week for each day. So I wanted to kind of show you what that's gonna look like. So let me share your screen with you. Share my screen with you. Hold on 1 second. All right, let's see. Okay. All right, so when you go into your Google Classroom for this week, just like it has every week, the assignment's gonna pop up at 8 a.m. every day. So this is just the one for today, for Monday. So this one is asking you, I have the steps, it says read these steps in order, read Finding Bigfoot, everything you need to know. That's on pages 264 through 274 in your reading textbook. And then it says use the attached Google slide to add a prediction from page 273. And then when you're finished with that prediction, you'll do the Google form, which is not new, okay? This new part is that attached prediction that is on that Google slide. So to access that, what you guys are gonna do is just like the Google form is attached to the assignment, the Google slide is attached to the assignment. So what you're gonna do is you're going to click on that. When you click on that, it'll come up in a new tab, and it's going to look like this. When you first get it, it's going to only be at 39%, which is a little small. So what you should do is you come over here to this magnifying glass and kind of put it at 50%, so it kind of makes it a little bigger for you guys so you can see. So what I've done here is I've made this editable so you can actually go in and type on there. So if I look at this, I did the first one for you. So our skill for today is making and confirming predictions. Remember, when we make and confirm predictions, we look at the text features, the text itself, and kind of look at what we can predict is happening or is going to happen in the text. So what I've done is I've taken that make and confirm predictions graphic organizer, and I've made it into this form for you so you guys can edit it. So I did the first one for you. So my prediction was found on page 266, okay? So what I noticed is just straight from the text. What's that from the text that you can pull out? So I pulled out all these animals have been proven to be hoaxes, that Bigfoot was just some guy playing tricks, okay? And my prediction based on that's at the beginning of the story. So I predict that the author is going to present me with more information to try and convince me that Bigfoot is real. So because obviously I can see what this is telling me the opposite. This is kind of contrasting that idea that he is real. So obviously the author is going to have to give me something that's going to try and convince me that it's going to be real. And why I think that is the author started the text with sharing information about why people believe that Bigfoot does not exist. So obviously, if he wants to convince me that Bigfoot is real, he's going to have to present me with different kind of information. Okay. So that's a prediction I had. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to read through the text, read through the story, and then on page 273, I want you to make a prediction. So when you get to page 273, kind of look at those subheadings on page 273, and you'll be able to make a prediction based on what you think that will be about. So you can actually, there's text boxes here. Okay, so sorry, once you zoom it, kind of go off of there. Okay. All right, so now there's text boxes. So you can actually click. It says type what you noticed here. You'll see that there. You can click on it and see now there's a text box there. So you can actually erase that and type whatever your prediction is. So what I noticed, and then you'll go ahead and put in your text information from there. So what you pulled out of the text, and because of that, what can your prediction be? So again, you can erase that and then type your prediction there. And then you're going to do the same for the why I think so. Click on that, erase that, and type in why you think so. Okay. So, and what's nice about this is whatever you type, it'll automatically save. Okay, so when you're finished, you can just kind of exit out of this and then go back and do the Google form. Make sure when you're done with the Google slide, editing this and the Google form, after you submit the Google form, you turn it in for me. I know some of you guys are getting not turning it in, so you end up, when I go and grade it, it ends up showing up as missing when it's not missing, okay? So make sure you do that when you're finished, okay? I hope this was helpful. Like I said, this is editable, so I'm gonna do a lot of things like this as we go throughout the week. So you might have to add more in different graphic organizers, okay? So hopefully that was helpful. Let me go back to my full screen and have a great week. See you soon.